Hello cuties, I hope you all are fine and doing well at your homes. Welcome to Learn Forward from Hi Kids Vidya. I hope you all are fine. Let's study Chapter 13 Traffic Signal with Milestone from Art and Activity Skillbook. Take out your yellow and orange color book. Take out it fast. First of all, tell me, all of you know what is this? What is this? This is traffic signal. This is traffic signal. When you go on road, you see there was a traffic signal. Yes or no? Yes. Who helps you? That red light means to stop. Yellow light means wait. And green light means go. Red means to stop. Yellow means wait and green means go. Now, take out your crayons and start coloring a traffic signal with milestone. First of all, take out your pink color. As usual, you know, ma'am don't have pink color. That's why I'm using purple color. But you have to take your pink color. Okay? Take out your pink color and start doing with me. I don't have pink color. That's why I'm using purple color. Okay? Now take out your red color. Take out your red color. Red light means to stop. Now, which color is this? Yellow color. Take out your yellow color. To wait. Yellow light means to wait. And fill the gaps, babies. Properly fill the gaps. Next is green light. Next is green light. Completed fast. Red light, yellow light and green light. Now take out your blue color. Take out your blue color. And start doing with me. Take out your blue color fast. Do it properly and neatly, okay? Properly and neatly. Up and down, up and down. and fill the gaps properly. Do it neatly and fill the gaps. Which color is this? Blue color. Complete it fast. Complete it fast. Now take out your orange color. Take out your orange color. Do it neatly. Do it neatly fast. Then take out your yellow color and start doing with me. Again, you have to do yellow color. First of all, complete it fast, then we will do. Okay, complete it. Start doing. Now we have to take red color. Take out your red color and start doing with me. Complete it fast. Complete it fast. This is red light, this is yellow light, and this one is green light. I hope you all enjoyed. Happy learning. See you in the next class.